The third routine we are going to take a look at is introducing tricky words. The term tricky word is used in the program to refer to a word not pronounced quite the way you would expect based on the letters in its printed form, or is not spelled quite the way you would expect based on the sounds in the spoken word. Tricky words start being introduced in Kindergarten Unit 3, Lesson 13. A picture reader is used in kindergarten for Units 3 through 8, and starting in Unit 8, tricky words are introduced in the context of the picture reader and the decodable reader. Starting in Kindergarten Unit 9 and continuing through 2nd grade, tricky words are introduced in the context of the decodable reader and activity pages. Students will see the tricky part of these words underlined in the student readers in kindergarten and 1st grade until it has appeared 20 times. We are now going to learn some new tricky words. Remember, tricky words are words that aren't pronounced quite the way you would expect based on how they are spelled, and we have to remember the tricky parts of the word. From what you know about these spellings, how would you pronounce this word by blending? Yes, you might say y. This word is actually pronounced I, as in my dog has spots. This letter is pronounced We expect it to be pronounced as and it is. This is the tricky part of the word. We probably expect this letter to be pronounced y, but it isn't. It's pronounced I. When we read the word my, try to remember to pronounce the letter Y as I. Also, when you write the word my, try to remember to spell the I sound with the letter Y. Let's read the word, everybody. My. Now, write the word my on your index card and underline the tricky part. This word is pronounced like the tricky word my. The letter Y is pronounced I. So this word is B-I, by. Read the word, everybody. By. Now write the word by on your index card and underline the tricky part. Strive has a very similar routine called irregular words. In the tricky word routine, students practice by listening to the teacher say a tricky word and then holding up the index card with that word. The practice part of Strive's irregular word routine has students also identifying what sound is represented by the tricky or unexpected part of the word. This added element of word analysis will help with automatization of these words, especially for students on the left side of the focus folder.